Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Nosahai Ogafua. I'm going to be presenting on non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is a really powerful tool that reveals meanings that are unintended, by the communicator. On this picture right here, we see this man to the right. Um, Saying like if this man tells you he's happy, he's really happy. You can see this non-verbal expression, which I'm reading directly from what I've written it before. This non-verbal expression depicts a state of amusement with him holding his hat in his hands over his head and his mouth wide open, exposing the teeth and slightly bending of the head to one side shows that he can be approached without fear of violent attack, even if you have not met him before. This nonverbal cue encourages social interaction among people in the society, which is really good aspect of nonverbal communication. It can let you know if a particular person, could be approachable or not, or if you are in imminent danger, you know immediately, which is why it's really good to understand non-verbal communication. And this is going to take us right to the next slide. So this slide, it's this kind of no. You see this girl, those three women in the picture. You see how they're looking, in their faces. And I'm going to read through the slide again, which says that this kind of non-verbal communication expresses anxiety and despair. The girl standing at the middle, you can see her face slightly winked with one eyebrow raised, indicate that she may be experiencing pain. Also, the folding of her hand towards her chest and the second hand towards the abdomen may imply that she may be defending herself from aggression. The other two females behind her expresses the same situation too, with the one towards the left tightly squeezing her face, with mouth fully closed and looking at the same direction. The lady on the right has her mouth wide open and her eyes and face winked and also facing the same direction, means that the stressor may be approaching from the direction they are all facing. These expressions on their faces enjoy a universal meaning. You could never see people in this situation and assume they are happy. If it was a real life situation, an immediate intervention could be required, to put them out of the intimidating situation. Yes, this is another reason why we should understand non-verbal situation. Even these people, if they cannot speak because of the immediate danger, see their faces, we know that these people, might require help. And this is going to take us to the next slide. This slide right here, uh, it's kind of, hard to describe a little bit because it could be viewed as a religious, from a religious point of view, as a religious leader or having a spiritual significance. My writing up on this is just, this non-verbal communication coming from this man is more frightening in nature with his general appearance, looking so serious with no smile in his face and head wrapped onto his neck, and then having something that looks like a mirror in his hand. A situation that may communicate fear in some society. So this kind of appearance may have a spiritual significance and respected in other society. Religious leaders are known to have this kind of appearance, especially with the kind of white gown and a black stripe to the side. Then this is why non-verbal communication is really powerful. We have to understand certain things and why certain things happen. But what might mean something in one society may be different in another society. That we must know. So this is going to take us to the last slide, which say on the see this mirror here putting his two fingers up shows this in a society, which means approaching this man will be a problem. So they got the hat and then an apron, which could also mean that he's a chef. Now, this communication from this picture indicates that this man is doing what makes him happy, with his facial expression drooping to one side and two fingers put up signifying peace. His hat and apron could make people think he could be a chef. This kind of expression in a working environment could promote positive customer experience. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is my slide tonight, and I hope you like it. Please, you can leave a comment or whatever, anything that will make me improve on this slide. I'm just learning. I hope you have a blessed night. Bye bye.